Hey, everyone! Welcome back to my channel. Today, we're diving into a fascinating question: do animals dream? You might have noticed your dog twitching or your cat moving its paws while they sleep, but what does that really mean? Stick around, because the science behind animal dreams might surprise you. Research shows that many animals experience REM sleep, which is the same type of sleep we humans go through when we dream. This has been seen not just in mammals like dogs and cats, but also in birds, reptiles, and even some invertebrates like octopuses and cuttlefish. So, yes, animals do get their fair share of dream time, though what they're dreaming about, we can only guess. Here's where it gets really interesting. Scientists have studied the brain activity of sleeping animals, and guess what? It closely resembles the patterns we see when they're awake and active. For example, studies show that rats' brain activity while they're asleep looks a lot like it does when they're running through mazes. And it's not just rats. Zebra finches show similar brain patterns when they sleep, matching the activity from when they sing while awake. So, it's almost like they're practicing their songs in their dreams. You've probably seen your pets twitch, move their paws, or even bark or meow in their sleep. These behaviors could be them acting out their dreams, just like how we sometimes talk or move while dreaming. And get this, chimpanzees have even been seen using sign language in their sleep. So it's not just random movements, animals might actually be reliving their waking experiences. Dreaming likely evolved over 300 million years ago, in a common ancestor of reptiles, birds, and mammals. This means the ability to dream isn't just a human trait, but something shared across many species. Pretty wild, right? Dreams could be as old as the dinosaurs. Some scientists believe that animals' dreaming suggests a level of consciousness and imagination we once thought was unique to humans. While animals can't tell us what they dream about, the evidence seems to point in that direction. However, not all animals dream the same way. Take cetaceans, like dolphins and whales, they sleep differently because they need to stay partially awake to breathe. So, their dream states might be different from land animals. So, while we may never know exactly what animals experience in their dreams, science gives us a pretty good idea that they do dream, and maybe even imagine, just like us. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to hit the like button, subscribe, and drop a comment below. What do you think your pet dreams about? Thanks for watching, and sweet dreams, whether you're human or animal.